Okay, here's what's cooking. I keep getting asked about how to make homemade mayonnaise, so I'm going to walk you through the process today. It's super simple, and this is, without a doubt, for me, my favorite recipe that I've ever come across. You can make a lot of variations, so let's just talk about what we've got involved here. So the number one thing is we need an egg, and we need some kind of oil. So today I'm using avocado oil and MCT oil. You can use any kind of oil that you want. Olive oil makes for a pretty heavy mayonnaise, but I've had plenty of times when that's been all I've had around, so that's what I use. You can use any combination. So today I'm going to use about 3/4 of a cup of avocado oil and a 1/4 cup of MCT oil. So the basic ratio is 1 egg to 1 cup of oil. And then I'm going to add in a pretty hefty pinch of salt, because pink Himalayan rock salt, because I really like that flavor. And I'm going to squeeze in the juice from about half a lemon, because I like that zing. Lemon's optional, you don't have to have it. I just like it. So here's the methodology. It's really simple. We're going to start by cracking the egg into this 2-cup mason jar. And so what's cool about this, the implement that we use to make the magic is an immersion blender. And so what's really cool is you want an immersion blender to go into a container that is about the same diameter as the immersion blender. So that just makes it happen super fast. In case you're not familiar, immersion blender, stick blender, call it what you like. You can get them for as little as 20 bucks if you don't have one. They're also great for turning soups into, cream soups, that kind of thing. I use my immersion blender a lot. In fact, this is a new one that I just bought recently. So let's get this stuff into the jar, and then I'm going to walk through the entire actual mixing process with you so you can see just how fast that is. Okay, so we cracked an egg in the bottom of the jar, added a cup of oil, a pinch of salt, and then I just squeezed the lemon juice on top. And here we go. So you can already see it coming together. It takes about a minute. Look at that. There you go. Mayonnaise in just under a minute. Pretty awesome.